Hey there, travel enthusiasts! Welcome to our channel. Today, we're unveiling the top 5 best carry-on luggage options for 2023. If you're ready to upgrade your travel game, stay tuned as we dive into these game-changing companions. Let's get started. Today, we're diving into the Samsonite Freeform Carry-On Spinner, a true game-changer in the world of luggage. First things first, let's talk about design. The Samsonite Freeform boasts a sleek and modern exterior that's not only visually appealing but also incredibly durable. Constructed with a rugged hard-shell material, this carry-on is built to withstand the rigors of travel, protecting your belongings every step of the way. One of the standout features of the Freeform is its spacious interior. Despite its compact size, the clever design maximizes packing space, allowing you to fit in more than you'd expect. Say goodbye to overpacking struggles. But that's not all. Maneuverability is key when it comes to carry-on luggage, and the Freeform doesn't disappoint. With its 360-degree spinner wheels, navigating through crowded airports or busy streets is a breeze. You'll be effortlessly gliding along, no matter where your adventures take you. Security is another top priority, and the Freeform addresses it brilliantly. The TSA-approved combination lock adds that extra layer of protection to your valuables, giving you peace of mind throughout your journey. And for those tech-savvy travelers, here's a bonus. The Freeform even comes with a built-in USB port for charging your devices on the go. How cool is that? To sum it up, the Samsonite Freeform Carry-On Spinner combines style, functionality, and durability into one sleek package. It's the perfect travel companion for anyone who wants to travel light, smart, and with a touch of elegance. Next, we're excited to bring you a product review that's going to revolutionize the way you travel, the Travel Pro Platinum Elite Carry-On. Let's start with the design. The Platinum Elite boasts a sleek, modern look that's both elegant and durable. Crafted with premium materials and featuring leather accents, this carry-on exudes sophistication while being built to withstand the rigors of travel. Now, what truly sets the Platinum Elite apart is its ingenious interior organization. With a fold-out suitor, you can keep your formal wear crease-free and ready for that important meeting or event. The spacious main compartment offers plenty of room for your clothing and essentials, and multiple pockets ensure you stay organized throughout your journey. When it comes to ease of use, the Platinum Elite excels. Its precision glide system features self-aligning, 360-degree spinner wheels that glide effortlessly in any direction. Maneuvering through crowded airports or tight spaces is a breeze, making your travel experience stress-free. Safety and security are paramount, and Travel Pro has got you covered. The integrated TSA-approved lock keeps your belongings safe, and the robust zippers provide added protection against tampering. Comfort matters, especially during long journeys. The Contour grip handle, with its cushioned touchpoints, offers a comfortable and ergonomic hold, even during extended walks through terminals. But wait, there's more. This carry-on is expandable, giving you that flexibility when you need to pack a bit more, and it comes with a convenient USB port for on-the-go charging of your devices. In a nutshell, the Travel Pro Platinum Elite Carry-On combines elegance, functionality, and durability to offer an unparalleled travel companion. If you're ready to take your travel game up a notch, check out the link in the description for more information and pricing. Next up, we're thrilled to introduce you to a travel companion that's about to make your trips even more effortless: the Travel Pro MaxLite 5 Softside Expandable Luggage. Let's kick things off with the design. The MaxLite 5 showcases a sleek and contemporary look that's as functional as it is fashionable. Crafted from lightweight yet durable materials, this soft-side luggage is built to endure the adventures you have in mind. Now, what truly makes the MaxLite 5 a standout is its expandable feature. Need a bit more room for souvenirs or that extra sweater? No problem. This luggage easily expands, giving you the flexibility to pack a little extra without the stress of cramming. Moving on to maneuverability, the MaxLite 5 is a game-changer. With its 360-degree spinner wheels, gliding through crowded airports and bustling streets is a breeze. Say goodbye to dragging heavy luggage. This one effortlessly follows your lead. Security is paramount, and the MaxLite 5 addresses this with a built-in TSA-approved lock. You can rest easy knowing your belongings are safe and secure throughout your journey. Comfort matters, especially during long trips. The adjustable telescoping handle ensures a comfortable grip, allowing you to navigate the airport with ease. And here's a bonus. This luggage is impressively lightweight, giving you more weight allowance for your actual belongings. In a nutshell, the Travel Pro MaxLite 5 soft-side expandable luggage is the perfect fusion of practicality, style, and durability. If you're ready to enhance your travel experience, check out the link in the description for more details and pricing. Next, we're excited to present to you a true icon in the world of luggage, the Briggs & Riley Spinners. Let's jump right into it and talk about the design. The Briggs & Riley Spinners are the embodiment of sophistication. The 22-inch baseline essential carry-on in sleek black not only looks timeless but also radiates a sense of professionalism that's perfect for any type of journey. What sets this carry-on apart is the meticulous attention to detail. Crafted with the highest quality materials, the baseline essential carry-on ensures not only style but also durability that can withstand the challenges of frequent travel. It's a combination of form and function that truly stands out. When it comes to maneuverability, these spinners shine. The 4 spinner wheels provide an unparalleled smooth glide in all directions. Navigating through bustling airports or tight spaces becomes an effortless experience. Organization is key, and the baseline essential carry-on delivers. The interior is thoughtfully designed to maximize space, with various pockets and compartments to keep your belongings neat and accessible. Staying organized on the go has never been easier. Security is always a top priority, and Briggs & Riley understands that well. This carry-on features a TSA-approved combination lock, ensuring your valuables stay safe while you travel hassle-free. To sum it up, the Briggs & Riley 22-inch baseline essential carry-on is the epitome of style, durability, and functionality. If you're in search of a travel companion that embodies sophistication while catering to your practical needs, your search ends here. For more information and pricing, check out the link in the description. Finally, we're diving into a product that's about to redefine your travel experience: the American Tourister Stratum 2.0 carry-on. Let's start with the design. The Stratum 2.0 boasts a modern and vibrant look that's both stylish and functional. With its sleek lines and attention-grabbing colors, this carry-on is sure to turn heads wherever you go. Now, what sets this carry-on apart is its lightweight construction. Made from durable materials, the Stratum 2.0 manages to be tough while still being easy on your shoulders and hands. Say goodbye to lugging around heavy luggage. Maneuverability is a game-changer, and the Stratum 2.0 delivers. Its multi-directional spinner wheels glide smoothly, making navigating airports and city streets a breeze. No more dragging, just effortless movement. Let's talk about organization. The interior is intelligently designed, offering ample space for your essentials. Multiple pockets keep your belongings organized and within reach, ensuring a stress-free travel experience. Security is always a concern, and American Tourister has you covered. The integrated TSA-approved lock provides peace of mind, allowing you to focus on the journey ahead. In a nutshell, the American Tourister Stratum 2.0 carry-on is a fusion of style, practicality, and affordability. If you're looking for a reliable travel companion that's light on your wallet and heavy on features, this is it. For more details and pricing, check out the link in the description. If you enjoyed learning about the best carry-on luggage and found our review helpful, please consider giving us a thumbs up and subscribing to our channel. By subscribing, you'll stay up to date with our latest in-depth reviews, travel tips, and recommendations for must-have travel gear. Your support means the world to us and helps us continue creating valuable content for fellow adventurers like you. Don't miss out on any of our upcoming videos. Hit that subscribe button and turn on the notification bell so you never miss a thing. Thanks for being a part of our travel community, and until next time, safe and exciting journeys. For more info on the carry-on luggage in the video, check out the description area below. Thanks.